Hello again. I'm going to try and do a couple of videos now. We'll see how many I get to. They're old school, but before I sing them, I wanted to say thank you. First and foremost to Alta from high school days, growing up. She commented that she could see my weight loss, and that means a lot to me. The next thing, I want to put this out there to you guys. This is something I talked over with a couple of the PIC members. Angie O'Brien especially. I have a stack of DVDs sitting by me. No joke. All of them still in plastic. And I kind of would like, I haven't really been in the mood to watch DVDs in a long time, which is unlike me. But I think I need to start watching DVDs. I mean, I gave up watching my soap operas, which was unlike me. But I'm not saying watch all of them in one night. But, I just want some advice and see which one gets the most votes, and we'll go from there. Of course, we've got WrestleMania, which just came out Tuesday. I have not watched it, which is unlike me. We have the Edge movie, Bending the Rules. It's supposed to be a funny comedy. That's why I got it. And haven't watched it. We have Footloose, the new one. Haven't watched it. We have The Money Pit and the Burbs. Of course, I've seen both movies before, but haven't watched it. The Rock. Now, there's something shocking probably to half of the people that know me. Because if I get a wrestling DVD, I usually open them right up and I watch them right away. This one was meant as a gift, and the gift never got gave, so never got gave. I wonder if that's a phrase. Anyway, Satan's Prison. And then we have The Best of the King of the Ring. Yeah, remember when that came out? Haven't watched it yet either. And The Best of Shawn and, or Greatest Rivalries, I should say. Shawn versus Brett. Haven't watched it. Gidget. The Season. Haven't watched it. Morning Glory. Movie. Haven't watched it. Feast of Love. Movie. Haven't watched it. 4 film favorites. All Mine to Give. Blossoms of the Dust. It happened on Fifth Avenue Holiday Fair. I give that to my grandma back for Christmas. Haven't watched it. Big Business Straight Talk. One's a Dolly Parton movie, so for the Dolly Parton fan, haven't watched it. And this one, the hardest one of all, still in plastic. Inside Out with Triple H. Can you believe it? I haven't watched it. So, want your vote. What one should I watch first? I'm going to be reading the responses from YouTube to Facebook, and I'll be anxiously seeing which one you vote for. Anyway, let's sing a song right now that's usually meant for a male singer, but because I like this song so much and I can't find any song tonight that I really want to sing, and I was looking for a Maverick song for that person who requested it, but there's no such thing as a Maverick song. Well, there is, but not karaoke version. But what we're going to do is listen to the rhythm of the falling rain, made famous by the Cascades like way back when. But it's okay because it's a great song, and I'm going to sing it in a female version. So haha. Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain, telling me just what a fool I've been. I wish it would go and let me cry in vain, and let me be alone again. The only man I cared about is gone away, looking for a brand new start. But little does he know that when he left that day, along with him he took my heart. Rain, please tell me, does that seem fair? For him to steal my heart away when he stay tuned. Like I said, I'm planning on doing at least one more. We'll see.